What do you do when you really don't feel like making a video? You make one anyway. That's what I'm doing right now. I really don't want to be doing this right now. I'm tired. It's been a long day. It's 2 a.m. I would rather be doing just about anything else. I'd rather be watching a movie. I'd rather be watching some YouTube. I'd rather be playing chess. I'd rather be doing my taxes. Most of all, I'd rather be going to sleep right now. So why am I making a YouTube video when I'd rather be doing just about anything else? It's because even though I'm tired, even though I'm discouraged, I am committed to YouTube. I had a great conversation today about YouTube with a friend of mine, and man, he knows a lot about YouTube. He's thought a lot about if he ever started a channel, what he'd start a channel about. He analyzes YouTube channels that he likes and tries to figure out why they're doing well. And if you do these kinds of things, you can really do well on YouTube. But the thing is, he never actually started a YouTube channel. Now, YouTube isn't for everyone, and there's plenty of good reasons not to start a channel. If you're busy doing other things, if you're not passionate about it, if YouTube just really isn't for you, then certainly don't even start a channel. But if that's you, why are you watching this video? But if you think YouTube is for you, even when you don't feel like making a video, make one anyway. If you like making videos, then make videos. My friend had some great advice. No matter what job you end up doing, eventually it's gonna feel like work. There's that old saying that says, do the job you love and you'll never work a day in your life. It's baloney. Work is eventually going to feel like work. Even if you love doing it, there's going to be days when you just don't feel like doing it. So on those days, do you just give up? Do you change direction? Do you just take the day off? Sometimes it's okay to take a day off. It's important not to ignore your mental health. But mental health aside, if you just don't feel like making a video, make a video anyway. If you really want to succeed on YouTube, you gotta treat it like it's a full-time job. Way before it pays anything, you gotta put the time and energy into it so that it will eventually pay something. I would definitely like to go to sleep right now. But even more than that, I want to see this channel reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2022. And I think it's definitely possible. But I'll tell you what, it's impossible if I don't upload videos. Or if I just upload a video once in a while. Or if I grow complacent in not making my videos better and better. Listen, YouTube is hard. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It takes hard work and consistency and showing up and making your videos better and better. In reality, it takes being obsessed with growing on YouTube. The people who are really obsessed with growing on YouTube, who want to learn every tip and trick about it, and not just keep it in their heads, but actually put it into practice, those are the people who are going to succeed on YouTube. You can't just know all the data, you got to put it into practice. And you can't just tell yourself that one day you'll be good at YouTube. You actually got to hone your craft and get good at YouTube. And I've said this over and over and over again, but really all it comes down to is showing up. Put in the work, make good videos, and people will watch those videos. This is definitely not going to be my best video, but I am trying to make it just 1% better than the last one. Just small improvements over time make a huge difference. It's such a small thing, but can you notice what I added to this video? And maybe you won't even think it's an improvement. I like it. The point isn't that you think you need to conquer the world with one video. The point is consistently showing up and making your videos just a little bit better each time. And if you do that in the course of a year, 2 years, it's different for everyone, but eventually you will be a professional. And as a professional, you'll be making a professional's wage. I don't care where you start. You might start on YouTube and your videos are absolutely horrible. But if you truly put in the work and you truly have a passion for this and you truly make your videos better each time, eventually it's going to pay off. I mean, it's just inevitable. If you're really making your videos just 1% better every single time, eventually your videos will just be awesome. That's how math works. But you got to be committed to the process. And that means making a video even when you don't feel like it. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.